What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're working on the pit bike. We got the carburetor and the air filter in. So, yeah, just stay tuned because I'm gonna unbox this stuff. I got the stuff covered up, the dress covered up so y'all can't see that. And yeah, we have the carburetor and the air filter. Let me go grab a razor knife for y'all. We found out what was wrong with it's the intake right there. It just popped right off. It does that a lot. He's selling this Basshead audio speakers because he has to rebuild his truck. So, yeah. Oh, here's the box cutter. If y'all didn't know, I actually cut my finger with one of these before. I had to get stitches. You can see the scar. If my camera would focus. There it goes. What we're gonna do is set you guys up nicely. And y'all can see me very good. And the pit light, which is right here. So we got the carburetor and the air filter. We're gonna start off with the carburetor. We'll open that bag, now we'll open this and grab this air filter. I don't want to cut the air filter, so the air filter's at the bottom. Yep, that seems to be the right one. Open that up. Oh, it looks like we got a sticker. Sweet. I'm gonna make sure this fits and then yep, it fits. So now what I'm gonna do is take it back out. I'm gonna lube this up a little bit and I'm gonna put it on. And I'm also gonna put this sticker on somewhere. On something. I don't know if it's gonna be a pit bike or what. Now to the box. Let's go to the top corporate bottle opener. I might put this on the bike somewhere, who knows. smells like rubber. Definitely. I'm gonna turn this back around for you guys so y'all can actually see it. I'm just getting a good better look at this car over here that I'll show y'all guys. We got the new hoses all ready to go. We got the choke, and then the throttle. That's what I was messing with just now, the throttle. The fuel thing, I forgot what that's called. I'm about to turn this back around for you guys so y'all can see a little bit better about what I'm doing. And y'all can watch me install the carburetor. This is actually a pretty cool sticker. I mean, this filter is actually like, when I ordered it, I thought it was gonna be like too big, but that was just because the picture was zoomed in and all that. But when I got in the mail, this thing able to lower down. I'm like 6 foot. It's down all the way. Yep, down around 6 foot, so almost 6 foot. I should probably put that camera somewhere else to where I can see my face and not my legs. Moving the ice right now. Our little ice. I'm gonna set y'all guys up on this box right here. Make sure you don't enter numbers or nothing. Push everything against the wall. I'm filming them off my phone, so looks like a little bit more that one. Yeah. Now you guys can see me. DVR is off. Like I said, pass. Just gonna flip this around. Oh God. I'm unscrewing the throttle cable right now. Hey.
Hey.
I'm working on this.
Okay.
For YouTube.
When Tyler goes to sleep, I'm gonna come outside and work on my fishing pole.
From your fishing pole.
I gotta restring it.
Oh. Well, how do you do this? Do all people all the way down here? I'm gonna pop this off. I'm gonna pop this off. Since this is like the same carburetor, I'm probably just gonna use the old one. Take off all the seals and the new hoses and pop on that one. Because I don't feel like setting up this throttle cable that was already set up. That's just for good. That's it, but I have to get that needle out. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. I gotta go get the mitts. Oh, there it is, it's on the ground. We take this bowl off and just look at it. It's so hot in the shed, we need to get a fan. We have a big one right there, but that one's like way too big. All that one does is picks up dust off the floor and just flings it in the air. I'm legit sweating. I need to find a fan. We have a small one somewhere. This I don't know where it is. When I woke up, I went to check the mailbox to see if this was in there, and it wasn't. So I waited like 2-3 hours. Not even that. Maybe like an hour or so. It was actually 8 when I woke up, so that was about 2 hours. Yeah. I'm gonna check the mailbox again. Seen the car. Put it on the shop door step, and then I put it on the shop door step, and then I'm gonna grab the camera or my phone. I also grabbed the GoPro, which is on the lawnmower seat. I'm just gonna film off my phone for now, unless I need this. Y'all ain't getting really a good view of everything. I'll slap on the GoPro. But yeah, this is gonna be a long video, or longer than normal. I'm still unscrewing this bolt. Got all 4 bolts out the carburetor. The ground. Pop the bowl. Damn, this is nice. See, my other bowl, or my other float, wasn't floaty. So if it ain't floaty, the needle, I'll tell you. Ow. Yep, I see the needle. Let me grab it. Alright, so this needle right here, move the new carburetor, don't run it over. This needle right here is stuck. It's supposed to go up and down and let fuel in and let fuel out, but it doesn't, because it was stuck. And somehow now it's spinning after I spent like $30 on a new carburetor. Oh well. Yeah, I don't know. And that other jet, here, look. Yeah, here's the jet. Here's the jet. This jet right here, it's the jet number 2 or whatever. That one is so clogged. Like, I couldn't clean it. I tried carb cleaner, it still wouldn't clean. So this, look how nasty this thing is. I think it's disgusting compared to the new one. Like, I know it is brand new, but still. Clean. Where's the carburetor? Like, compared to bowls, it ain't too much different. I mean, the inside of the carburetor is dirtier than the outside, really. Oops. Get off the damn camera. That's what it looks like. Brand new. Old. Well, it ain't really old, but used. That's how you say it. Used. It actually is old. Oh well. Got the needle. We actually gonna use this carburetor. I just had to get the needle out. Which I did. Now we're gonna swap the needles. Yeah, we're not gonna run no funky needle. But this is still is good. You know what? We're gonna put that old. We're not gonna use the new needle. We're just gonna put the old needle on there because it's like the same one. And if it starts giving us problems, then we'll swap it to the new. Yeah. Just set it right there by the camera. Set it right there. Because I'm gonna always keep all these parts, like the old carburetor, all that. Slap this bowl back on, and then put the needles on. The needle on the. Actually, before we put that needle on, let's put. Nah, we do that after the throttle. I mean, not the throttle, but the choke. Good lord, I can't talk this morning, guys. These bolts are longer than the other ones, I'm pretty sure. No, yeah. They're a little bit longer. Maybe not. The white carburetor bolts are so long. They look shorter, might be just because they're older. I'm used to seeing them. These are new, shiny, long. And that's decently long. I don't honestly think it needs to be that long. Now we're gonna tighten these up, put it back on the cart. I'm here on the dirt bike, pit bike, wherever. Leave down in the comments if you like these type of videos or what. I mean, I like filming them, but if you guys don't like seeing them, then I won't do it. Just need to get some more subscribers. I don't know why I'm filming. Not used to filming. Drop the screw. Fell out the carburetor. I haven't tightened it down yet. I'm just getting tired. Oh well. Hurry up. Got one more after this one, which is tight. Now, one thing you guys want to remember, if y'all ever do take apart a carburetor, do not strip out the bolts, because if you strip them out, you're going to have to buy a new carburetor no matter what. Or they're going to be harder to get out. Make sure that your bit is all the way in it. Make sure they all tight. Alright guys, slap the choke on. Take this hose off of her first. I hope it starts after this, and I'll be mad. You can hear the floaty. Got there. Shoot. There it is. Stick the rubber piece on. Well, I'm finally doing something right now. I never do anything right. You know, like, I always, I guess I'll tell that story time like a different time, but I always, when I was younger, I would just go out and take everything apart and then put it right back together. I mean, simple as that. I'll figure out where the bolt goes to later. Grab the screwdriver. There we go. She's all tight. Double check. Yep. Stick the needle in. Looks like it's working fine to me. Nice and snappy. Now, we're going to put the hose. This is for the fuel tank. I was about to say, what is this hose for? But that's for the fuel tank. Oh, one thing I ain't going to do is put the petcock on because I don't have that. So it won't be firing up today. But I will be able to put that gas tank back on. But it's probably easier just to wait it out. And wait for the carburetor and the thing. Overflow. Now what you do is grab your, where did I put the Allen wrench? That ain't it. Small. That's so much trash everywhere. Right when I think that was too big. Yep, that was too big. Where did I put that small little Allen wrench? That's so much trash. Let's see if I can't run this Allen wrench. There's the GoPro, which I will not be using in this video today because I'm about to end it because it's getting, I'm already knocking on 30 minutes. I just need to finish tighten this up, but I'm probably not going to be able to because I don't know where I put the Allen wrench. Here it is. Found the Allen wrench. Push my chair around. Set up the camera again. Then we're gonna finish this real quick. Oh. Wait, before we put that Allen wrench back in, I gotta grab this. I need this right here. this. You don't know what this is. This is a spacer for the carburetor and an intake. Wait. This is the spacer for the carburetor and the motor, which is right here. Space is out right here. This is the intake back here. I still don't know if you guys can see me, but 100% it's on. It's very tight. Now what you do is you get your, I can grab them. Your Allen wrench keys. That's what these go to. These long Allen wrench keys. That's what them go to. They go to your intake, to your motor. It goes through them spacers. That's what I'm trying to say. Can't remember nothing today. Shit happened.